In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable formula corrections in Google Sheets. Enabling your formula corrections will help you detect corrections in your formulas, especially when you make mistakes. So here's how to do it. Let's just go to the menu bar, click on Tools, select Autocomplete, and on the right side, you'll see Enable Formula Corrections. Mine is already enabled. If yours is not, just click on this one. So let's test that out. Let's try and make a formula right here. Your formula starts with an equal sign, our cell reference. Let's say we made a mistake. Instead of putting a plus sign, we added another equal sign and the number 1. And if you enter, and there you have a correction where it has a formula suggestion right here. So we clearly made a mistake by inputting another equal sign there when we were supposed to put a plus sign. So this is the right formula that we were supposed to do. Let's accept the suggestion and click on this check mark. And there you have it. And if you just drag this down, it will autofill the rest of your data. Now let's try this out with a more complex formula. So let's say you're trying to extract some data and you're going to use the formula VLOOKUP. Here's how to do it. Let's start our formula with an equal sign. Type in the letter V. And VLOOKUP would be right here. So our VLOOKUP formula starts with our search key, and then a comma, our range, another comma, our index, which is the first column, and a comma, and if our column is sorted, it will be true, and if it's not, then it's false. And press enter, and here you'll have another correction with another formula suggestion. So it's suggesting that we do a combination of the index and match function instead of the VLOOKUP, because VLOOKUPs only work to the right when the data we're trying to extract is on the left. So since this formula is going to give us the correct data that we're trying to extract, we're just going to accept the suggestion and click on the check mark. And there you have it. Again, if you just drag this down, it will fill out the rest of your data. And that's how to enable formula corrections in Google Sheets. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do leave a like and subscribe for more helpful videos. See you on the next one.